pound dollar. Well, let's take a look whether we have set up here or not when the candle ends. So we are looking at I like this level. It went nice and quick, one way and then the other way, so that usually gives a good setup. But of course, it can of course just keep going up. So we shall see the setup that we have today. And again, I'm just going to do a small trade on it. So what I'm expecting is at this level it will try to go for the liquidity at the bottom here. Well, of course it can as well come up here, but I already see this being tested last week, so I'm not sure whether it will come here as well. But let's see if it comes here. So that's a play for today. Let's have a look what happens. Right, we'll wait for this candle to close. Hey, so here we are back. Nothing's moving at the moment. Let's see where we go from here. Right, I'm still liking this trade unless it decides to close above this line here. So usually if it closes above the 79% on the 5-minute chart, I'll take as the trade is not valid anymore. I have a few more seconds, and it seems like just drop right, close right at the bar. Well, let me take this trade. I've taken the sell. So for this trade, I'll take my stop loss. This is a GBP, so I think 20 pip stop loss should be enough, somewhere up here. So let me put my stop loss, and we will come back to this trade in a little while. So if this 5-minute candle close above this OTE here, I'll basically consider this trade invalid, and I'll just cancel this trade. So maybe the direction wants to go up instead, so maybe this swing is the other way around, but doesn't matter. So we see that there you go. Let me close this for well, let's see whether I can get for a small loss. Alright, so maybe now we'll see whether it goes this way, it comes down here, nice round number, and goes up. That looks like a good trade as well. So we'll wait a while till the next video. So okay, we are back here. As you can see, as I expected, price will come down and go up. It went deeper than I thought. I actually put my my buy over here, but it's pretty good, and I put my stop below this point, meaning it's invalid. So since now it's the trade is free, I shall move my stop, hopefully not too soon. But just now, as I was expecting price to actually come down and I already had a sell, I should not have closed it. I do not know why I did that. I mean, it was in my plan that price would come down, so and I already had a sell, so I should have just left it. But anyway, that was just a few cents of loss, and there we are now. The trade is risk-free. Well, sometimes I just get a small win after doing this, but I expect price to, hopefully come here and test this at least. um, let's see. And well, hopefully it'll come here as well, but it should try to test this part here, right? So let's see if price gets up there. If it does, maybe I'll close the trade after all. It's in my trading plan. I couldn't close partially because I don't have a big enough position, but if I did, I'll close partially here. I'll move the stop somewhere down over here and then let the rest go for the rest of the day. So that's all for now. Alright guys, so this is a trade as I expected, or well, I guess as I guessed. Price will come over here. It went nicely here, so what I see is it's probably going to do a little bit of a pullback, and you will go probably up here to try to reach the daily range. Since I'm a chicken and I didn't have a big enough position, I'm gonna close my trade here just as I planned. Alright, thank you. Okay, back to the end of this trade. So if you've seen, I've already closed my trade over here, and I've stated earlier that I'll see price will definitely come down here and then go back up, right? So that was what I was expecting. But yep, anyway, I close it. So you'll probably see, well, I'm not sure that the day is not ended yet, but we'll probably see price try to reach here, and then after that it will just, you know, drift like it always does at the end of the day. I'm not sure whether there's any news or not, but that's what it always does. So that's the end of this recording for today.